Okay, so guys, today we're making a video about Stormer. Yeah, I'm just gonna get the pieces on the box. Wait. Okay, so guys, I'm back. I cut the Stormer pieces on the box, so hopefully it won't take a lot of time. Yeah. Be quiet. Okay, so here are the Stormer pieces. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. I got the blue spear. Now it's time for building. Gotta put this away so we can make some. Oh shoot! Wait. Okay, let's start building. Okay, so first one, you need this. Wait, and then you have to put this. Oh wait, I'm missing one part. Okay, oh shoot. Okay, here. I'm gonna put this video over here. Wait, I mean this part. Bam, like that. Now it's time for the legs. First one, always start with these parts. There. And then put them over here. Just put it all like that, and then you will end up with this. Okay, so this all took a lot of time, so just gonna pause the video. Bye. Okay, so I already have them all. Make sure it will become like this, and then go for the wait. So if you're building a Stormer piece, if you're gonna build Stormer, get this part. You need this part for the legs because it's the tallest. There. Oh god. Okay, just watch my brother's video. And I got the wrong piece, okay? You need to put it like that, and then if you hear a click, don't worry, it's not broken. That's it. That it just lock in the lace, and then there you go.
Oh,
Like
put it into that.
Next, we need these pieces for the hands. Put this here. Next, we're putting this thing here.
Making my YouTube video too with this braid mask.
Yeah. Stop being noisy. There. See? That looks cool. Next, if you want to put the sides on Stormer's legs, add this part. Is it missing? I think it's missing. Wait a minute. Okay, so I already have the piece. Need this thing. And then put it here.
King Kong.
Huwag ka maingay. And then there. Now you have this. Next one, put this white thing here. And then put this. But not this way. This one.
The monkey video again. Like last year. Yeah.
Here. Wait a minute. There. You're supposed to put it like this. Boom. Here. I have them all good. Now it's time for the arms. For the arms, you need this little pieces. And then wait. There, now I have this. Next, let's go put this gray hand. It's supposed to become a gray one. Boom. Okay, so we have them all good. Next, for the legs. For the legs, you need these parts. Put it on Stormer's legs. Boom. Wait, what's the other one? Wait, I'm just gonna find the other one. There. Now oh shoot, oh wait. There. Now, we have this 2 feet. So, allowing him to stand Stormer. And also, did you know Stormer is the leader of the Hero Factory? And also, you might thought Stormer is the most strongest robot, but you might be wrong because it's Duncan bulk. And then let's go back to building. Okay, next. There we go. Wait, oh no, it's full. It's full up. There. Now, let's go put the white piece instead of the gray piece because this is the only piece that I have. There.
Kuha na lang ako. Sabi nung
Huwag ka maingay.
kuha na lang ko eh.
There. There. Now all we need is this. The headpiece. Boom. Now you need to put this thing. This. And also you also need this one. Wait. There. I need to connect it from the hole like this. From the helmet. Now put it here.
Kaya ko na sa'yo.
There. Now, if you want to make him strong, go in his back. Can you see that thing? Wait. See? See that thing? That one from spot. You need to put something in it so you can upgrade them. First one, this part. Wait a minute. Sorry, guys, I got it wrong. This part. You need to put it on his butt. Boom. Look. Now we have it good. Next, we need this one. There. Oh wait, no, I'm wrong. Hold up. Boom. Wait. There. Now we need to put it over here. And then 2 pieces over there. Next, you need to get this part. And then attach it to this white piece. There. Now I attach the black part over the white piece. Now next, you need to put this here. There. It's quite hard, but still got it. Next, you need these blue spears. You need 2 of them. You need 2 of them. And then put them over the rocket launcher. Around the white piece. Then boom. You will mail it. Next, finally, the string. Put the string over here. Wait. Put this string. So we need this body part. Who has a square on its back? This body part is rare, so I hope you guys found it. You can find them from SM and also from Philippines. Oh, oh. There. Let's go put this thing here. Wait, this thing there. Oh. Next, we need to put this. Supposed to got this one. Put it over here. See that thing? See that thing? You need to put it here. Okay, so and then next, you need to put a chainsaw here. There. This is what the chainsaw should look like. And then done. You have your Lego Stormer. Wait, I gotta show it on camera. There. Now your Lego Stormer is done. Meet you in the next video. Bye.